Trading automation revolutionizes the way traders interact with markets by utilizing computer algorithms to execute trades based on predetermined criteria. This innovative approach boosts efficiency by allowing traders to execute more transactions in less time, without manual intervention. Furthermore, it minimizes emotional decision-making, a common pitfall in trading, as trades are based strictly on data and established rules. This emotional detachment ensures more consistent and rational trading choices. Additionally, automation empowers traders to implement and manage complex strategies that would be too intricate to handle manually, enhancing the scope and potential of their trading endeavors. Selecting the ideal trading automation tool is crucial for maximizing your trading efficiency. With a plethora of options available, it's essential to evaluate each tool based on specific criteria, including its compatibility with your trading platform, ease of use, and the features it offers. Ensure that the tool not only aligns with your trading objectives but also integrates seamlessly with your existing setup to avoid disruptions. Additionally, look for user reviews and expert opinions to gauge the reliability and performance of the tool. This thoughtful approach will help you harness the full potential of automation to optimize your trading operations. Setting up your automated trading system begins with the meticulous definition of trading rules and parameters that will govern your trading strategies. This process requires deep understanding of market behaviors and your personal trading goals. Once the rules are established, configuring these parameters in your automation tool is the next step, ensuring every condition is precisely set to trigger the desired actions accurately. Testing these settings with historical market data is essential for verifying the effectiveness and accuracy of your automated system. Such rigorous testing helps forecast potential issues and adjust parameters to better adapt to changing market conditions. Effective monitoring of automated trading systems is critical for maintaining optimal performance. Vigilant oversight helps identify any deviations or errors that could impact trading outcomes. Regular monitoring also provides insights into how strategies perform under various market conditions, allowing for timely adjustments. Troubleshooting is another vital component, requiring a proactive approach to detect and resolve issues swiftly to prevent financial repercussions. Continuously optimizing your trading strategies based on performance data and new market trends is essential for staying ahead in a competitive trading environment. These practices ensure that the automated system remains robust and responsive. In the realm of automated trading, adherence to regulatory standards and effective risk management are paramount. Ensuring that your automated system complies with trading regulations protects against legal repercussions and maintains market integrity. Implementing robust risk management strategies, such as setting loss limits and using stop-loss orders, can mitigate potential financial losses. Regular audits and updates to your system help maintain compliance as regulations evolve. Understanding these legal frameworks and integrating them into your trading setup is crucial for sustaining long-term success and stability in the fast-paced world of automated trading.